Hello friends, welcome to Mimi's workshop. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Our today's recipe is low oil, low fat and low cholesterol onion fries, which when accompanied by rice or khichdi tastes amazingly good. So without much ado, let's get started. For this we will need very thinly sliced onions, turmeric powder, salt to taste, sugar and gram flour. Gram flour is a binding agent which will render this mix a sticky form. At this point of time, we will add about 2 tablespoons of water and let this mix settle for around half an hour. Next, we shall add very finely chopped coriander leaves to it. Oil is on heat already. Now we will have to press flat the mix between our fingers like this and then put them in the heated oil one after the other. You can see how well these fries are sizzling up in the oil, and in no time at all they will take a golden texture. Friends, the aroma it emanates is better not told about. It's heavenly and will shoot up your appetite the moment you sniff it. The beauty of these fries is that they need very less oil to be cooked, yet they do not compromise on the taste. Believe me, it's a must try at home. Very simple and healthy, they complement a bowl of puffed rice perfectly in a rainy day. What say? For all those viewers who have still not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it now for more exciting yet simple recipes. If you have liked my video, then do like and share it among your friends, relatives and family members.